Splash! The banana leaf flipped. Mangoes flew everywhere. Hey! Stop! A nearby bird screeched. Abu's eyes lit up. Food! He stole a mango and ran as fast as he could. Abu! Thud, thud, thud. Oti the elephant charged in, shaking the ground. Those aren't yours! Abu laughed, sprinting across the tall grass. Catch me if you can, big guy, he teased. Oti chased fast. Faster! The ground shook. Abu leaped over a log. Oti smashed through it. They burst into the riverbank. Splash! Water sprayed everywhere. Abu hopped across slippery stones. Oti slipped, but caught himself just in time. Stop running! Oti called. Make me! Abu teased. He swung up a vine. Whoosh! Across the river and rolled on the ground. Oti didn't stop. He pushed through the water. Splish, splash, splish. Closer now. Closer. Abu glanced back. Uh-oh. Oti was closing in fast. Abu dashed into the rocky hills. Climbing, jumping, sliding. The mango almost slipped. He held it tighter. Then he took a huge leap and missed. Ah! He landed with a hard crash. The mango flew up, down, splat, smashed onto the rocks. My mango! Abu groaned. Oti arrived breathing heavily. He looked at Abu and then at the mess. Without a word, Oti picked up the banana leaf. And then the scattered fruit, one by one, kindly, quietly. Abu looked at his empty hands, then at Oti. I took it, he said. Oti looked up. You can still help. Abu stood still for a moment, then ran over, picked up a mango, then another. I'm sorry, he muttered. Oti smiled. That's how kindness starts. The bird beamed. Thank you. Abu grinned. Feels better than stealing.
Oti, Oti, big and kind, kind hearts win every time. Oti, Oti, big and kind, kind hearts win every time. Help your friend, Oti, Oti, big and kind hearts win every time. Oti, Oti, big and kind hearts win every time. Help your friend, Oti, Oti.